welcome to the oral user manual for TeamViewer 2018. We're going to go through some of the functions of the program TeamViewer. We're going to start with the remote control. To do remote control on another computer, you have to select remote control and then take your partner's ID, which my partner is going to give me right now. 12989675566. Then you click connect. Then you're going to enter the password for the computer you're going to connect to, and that's there 69. Log on. Then you're going to meet this window right here. This is not my computer right now, but this is now the computer that is going to be remote controlled. Here you can do basically whatever you want. You can fix certain things. So basically you can remotely control another computer. And to exit this tab, you're just going to click on this icon right here. Yeah, so now my colleague here is going to talk about file transfer.
I'm going to talk about the file transfer. It's actually pretty easy to connect with. You just have to go down here on connect, and like the password is the same. It's MWA49, right? And 249, and then you just log on, and this will show all his files and all my files, like everything I worked on school and things like that. So if you are in the group and you have to work together, you can just drag it over to his files, and he will get it on his computer automatically. So it's pretty easy. Job queue, it's not that important actually, but event log is pretty easy or pretty good, and that will show that the transfer was successful.
We're going to go through some of the meeting functions. To access that, you're going to click here on the meeting tab. So now you're going to say we want to have a presentation. You click on the presentation tab. Here you will be shown your different boxes of things you can do. So for example, if you want to show the presentation to another user, you can take this code right here, copy that to say another computer or send it to another person. Then the other person will take this code and take it right here. When they click join meeting, they will see what is on this screen right here. You can also transfer files right here to share it with your group. You can share video, and you have also access to this whiteboard right here. You can, for example, draw things and erase things if you want. There are of course several different features like text and so on and so forth. Yeah, to access go away from the presentation tab, you are just going to click the exit tab right.
So I'm going to show the different things you can do here in this meeting tab. One of them are videos. You just click here, and the ID comes up here. Hi. This is pretty pretty easy to find out how it works. You can find out your microphone and speaker sounds and how high you want the volume to be, and the file box, you can just put some files here that the old thing on remote control. And this is the face cam, so you can talk to other people, you can invite people just to talk with them and have a chat, or you can share your screen if you have something important to show them, or you can just send some messages and easy stuff like that.
Okay, and the last two things we're going to talk about is the phone function and the schedule a meeting function. So the phone function functions that this way, that you click on it, and basically you're going to click on this little message box right here, and this will give you clear instructions on how to use the phone function. You have to pay real money to actually have access to this, due to you calling to another country, and so on and so forth. So we're going to close this for now and talk about the schedule a meeting. So if you want to say you want to schedule a meeting, you just click on here, select a date, select your location and password. You then click save. I'm going just to click cancel now, and then you're going to see your meeting under my meetings here. As you can see here, I have a meeting right here, and this meeting ID right here is the ID that you give out to other people to join your meeting. To access the contacts tab, or computer in contacts tab, you're going to click right here. Here you're going to be presented with this window. If you click right here, it is going to give you several options. You can either add this computer as one of your computers that are meant for this program. You can add a remote computer, which is going to give you access right away to remote control it. You can add a new contact. If you click here, you're going just to write an email of a existing user of TeamViewer, and then click OK. We're going to touch on that later. And then you can add a new group with several of your contacts. You can create a new session code. By doing this, a user can go and click on this link right here, which is going to take them right away to your session. Okay, and now we're going to yeah, and you have also nearby contacts and devices. So if you click on that, you're going to see all your contacts that are nearby, or your devices that are in the same area.
So the last thing I'm going to talk about today is the chat. It's pretty self-explanatory. What you need to do is to, if you want to send a message, you just click the new message tab and this will show up. This is pretty easy because you can write like a name, for example, Frederick, like this, and he will show up. And that's one easy way to like write a message. Say, I write this low. This will send to him right now, and he will see it pretty soon, I think. One of the things you need to do is that the guy you're sending, or the girl you're sending the message to, needs to have TeamViewer account on TeamViewer. If he doesn't have that, you cannot send any messages or talk to him over the app like you can when he has an account.